I use KiCad for my schematic and PC board layout, and since it had a simulator option now, I thought I might try and learn a bit of Spice. But there was a problem. I'm running KiCad 5.1.10 on OpenSUSE Tumbleweed at release 2021-06-03. The first error message I see, a missing ngSpice shared library. So I looked, and libngspice.so and its links point to a libngspice.so.0.0.0 dated May the 27th, 2021. So this may be a very recent problem. There's another error message underneath the EE schema window, and it gives a bit more detail. Failed to load shared library, undefined symbol history file. I figure I'll try and rebuild the shared library. There are two ngSpice locations on GitHub. It looks like the IMR ngSpice is the mirror of the SourceForge official project. So I'm just going to get the code from here. I'm going to copy the location to the clipboard, then change to the directory where I won't get to put the project. Then type git clone and paste the location contained in the clipboard and hit enter. I do like this way of downloading projects. Now change to the ngSpice directory, and from the install file we'll see what we need to do. Looks like very nice instructions. For the most part, I'll just copy and paste from the install instructions to the command line. First we run the autogen script. Then make a release directory and change to that directory. Then for the configure command, we want the with ng shared flag. We'll go with the useful additional option suggestions and include these three flags too. Now we want to make sure we add the disable debug flag. Then hit enter to run the configure command. That disable debug flag makes for a lot smaller file. I didn't test it, but I'm pretty sure faster as well. Once the configure has finished running, we paste in the make command, hit enter, and go get a snack as this will take a bit. After the compile is finished, going to su to root and do a make install. Now the files are not put where Tumbleweed uses them, so I'm going to copy them manually. The new files are in USR, local, lib64, and they need to be in USR, lib64. Before I copy the new files, I do want to back up the old ones, just in case. Messing up files in this directory can make for a bad day. So I just renamed the old ones by adding a prefix to the files and directory. then copy over the new ones. Now to test. Going to pull up a switch mode power supply sim I'm pretty sure should run. No error on startup. That's good. Seems to be running. Well, that looks right, so I think we are good, at least till the next update. Thank you for watching.